Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn hologram effect in Adobe After Effects. First you need a hologram script, so go to my description and click on it and download. First we import the video, then we import the second video to create a hologram. Select a first video, then click on animation and then track motion. We got a track point. We adjust a track point and simply click on track forward. After track we create a null object, and rename to track. And then we click on edit target, click on track and press OK, then apply and simply press OK. Next step, second video we put the first and transform to adjust. Then we go to the file and script, then we got a production create hologram script. In this hologram script we saw many hologram. We choose the basic hologram. And simply we click on plus icon. And after some seconds we got a hologram effect on a video. Then we select a hologram effect, and we got a projection hologram point. We adjust a point and scale a video. And we click on hologram video, and we select a track. And after some seconds it's done. We successfully create a hologram effect.